What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the Electro Orange colorway. This latest color of the Air Jordan 1 released last Saturday, July 17th for a price of $170 US or $230 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is white, electro orange, and black. And this was a colorway I wasn't totally in love with, but I wanted to see how it was in hand. So ever since the original shattered backboard Air Jordan 1 released, since then we commonly associate orange colored Jordan 1s to be a shattered backboard release. However, this one, I believe, is free of the shattered backboard association. It just happens to be an Air Jordan 1 that incorporates orange in its color. So diving straight into the details, so this is your classic Air Jordan 1 High silhouette. On the toe box, here we have this white leather which has a perforated look to it, which is common across all your Air Jordan 1s. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have this smooth black leather, and the black leather covers the eyelets of the shoe as well. Beneath this, on the quarter panel of both sides of the shoe, we have more of that white leather, and then overlaid on top, we have a black colored leather swoosh. Covering the side wings of the shoe, we have more of that white leather, and stamped on the lateral side only, we have the Air Jordan Wings logo, which is done in this black colored finish. We have more of that white leather which wraps around the bottom of the back heel, and surrounding the top portion of the ankle collar area, this is covered in the shiny orange colored leather. For the laces, these come standard with these flat black colored laces, but they also give you two extra lace options. There's a white colored lace and an orange pair as well. Personally for me, I like the look of the black. I like how it blends in with the tongue and it gives it much more of a uniform look, but honestly the other two lace options probably work just as well. Underneath this, we have your traditional nylon tongue. This is done in this black colored finish, and at the very top, we have this black tag with Nike Air branding done in white and orange. For the insoles, these come with your standard foam padded insoles. It's lined in this black finish on the top, and we have this oversized Nike Air branding on the heel, along with this rectangular outline which differs from your normal Air Jordan 1 branding. So the upper of the Air Jordan 1 sits atop this full-length white colored rubber cupsole, and encapsulated within the midsole, we have Nike Air Sole technology for cushioning and impact protection. Flipping the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Air Jordan 1 outsole. So this is entirely done in this orange colored rubber. We have the circular traction pattern on the forefoot, along with Nike branding right in the center. In terms of sizing, so these fit exactly the same as all your other Air Jordan 1s, so whatever size you normally wear, I'd stick with that same size for this one. If you haven't worn an Air Jordan 1 before, for most people that means sticking with your true size. Unless you have really wide feet, you might want to consider going up a half size, but otherwise sticking true to size should be okay. In terms of comfort, so not too much needs to be said about an Air Jordan 1. It's a retro sneaker that has pretty much minimal tech within it, and even though there's technically Nike Air within the shoe, honestly you can't really feel it at all. The Air Jordan 1 has a very firm, stable, and low to the ground feel, which means it's not going to be the softest and the most cushioned shoe out there, but for everyday use it's going to be fine. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, so first off, the material quality I felt like it was pretty average. It wasn't bad, it wasn't great. It's pretty much your average run-of-the-mill Jordan 1 in terms of quality. So with that said, I wasn't mad about it, but the craftsmanship was definitely lacking. So I'm pretty sure this was limited to my pair only, but there's a lot of glue surrounding the midsole area, and the Jordan Wings logo on my right foot, it was already peeling off straight out of the box. So this is something I've personally never seen before on any Air Jordan 1, so I'm gonna chalk it up to just a factory flaw, and hopefully your pairs were a bit better put together. With all that being said, now let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, I feel like the Electro Orange Jordan 1 definitely has potential, but I think there's just way too much white on the back side of the shoe. So I've seen people customizing their pairs by painting this back panel orange. So I'm still debating, but I'm definitely leaning towards giving it a shot and painting it orange. And by doing that, I think it just makes the shoe look a lot more complete. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Electro Orange Air Jordan 1. What are your overall thoughts on this colorway? And for those watching, did you guys manage to cop these? Did you take an L or did you pass altogether? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on IG at esco8. Check me out on Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. I've also started a podcast called the Channel 8 Podcast. So the video version for that podcast is hosted right here on my YouTube channel, but if you're looking for just the audio-only version, it's hosted on most of your major podcast platforms, including Spotify, iTunes, and Podbean. So thank you so much for watching, thank you for the continued love and support, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.